Hey there, my name is Gregor Jones, and today I will be giving you a little video presentation on the Chikungunya virus. So, the Chikungunya virus originated in Africa, Asia, and India. There have been other outbreaks, but whenever you look it up, these are the three main places that you will be able to find the virus. And so, what are some little, sorry about that. What are some little characteristics about the virus? One, it is a RNA virus. It is non-encapsulated, and it is of the alpha virus genus, which is part of the Togaviridae family of viruses. And so, what does this cause? It causes the chikungunya disease. And so the chikungunya disease can be characterized by three main aspects, and that's fever, headaches, and mild to severe joint pains. The other symptoms can include muscle pains, nausea, fatigue, and rashes. All those symptoms pretty much go away after a week once you start showing symptoms. The only thing that persists can be the joint pain, where in some cases it's lasted months to years after they've recovered from fighting off this infection. And so, how does this get transmitted? Well, it is only transmitted by mosquitoes, and more specifically, the species or the genus Aedes of mosquitoes. Yeah, that is the only known way that this has been transmitted. Even if you have it cough on someone like that, they're not gonna get this disease. And so, what in today's world has contributed to the emergence slash reemergence? That would be travel and tourism, because these three places they do have areas that are high in tourism, where mosquitoes are present, and so lots of people like to travel there, sightsee, whatnot. Maybe they get bit and then don't know. They go back, bring it to somewhere else that hasn't encountered this virus, but they have mosquitoes. And then if they get bit, all of a sudden the mosquitoes start spreading that among that population. And so that's what happened on Reunion Island, which is a France-owned island off in the Indian Ocean. This outbreak happened in 2004, and about 1/3 of the population was infected. So they had 785,000 people living on the island, and about 255,000 people got infected. Only 200 deaths were reported from virus or this disease. And so, what they did during this outbreak was they more tried to set up a surveillance system with the World Health Organization in order to trend out the virus, see how effective it is if it goes to a new population, see if any certain populations on the island were getting affected more, and all stuff like that. They weren't necessarily too much trying to handle the outbreak. They told people, wear a long sleeve and just try to avoid getting bit by mosquitoes. And that's pretty much the best advice that they had. And so, are there any known treatments for this? No, there's currently no vaccines or any known treatments. You can take anti-inflammatories to deal with fever and headaches, but they don't recommend non-steroidal ones like Advil. And yeah, apart from that, just avoid mosquito bites. And then, what about in today's world? What kind of research is going on with this virus now, currently? And so the only really real group I found was the Institut Pasteur in Paris. And so following the 2004 outbreak on Reunion Island, they set up the team to analyze all the data, and they found they found the R rate of the virus, and it had an R value of about 4.1 when it's brought into a new population like this. And then they also kind of assume that just in the general populations that exist, it's more closer to around 1, maybe even less, because the virus more just kind of exists instead of is constantly spreading. And from all of this data and research, they were also able to develop a quick blood test in order to analyze this virus and sequence the virus, but that's as far as they got. They're currently testing a vaccine, but it's been trying to get tested since 2014. So maybe we'll see the Chikungunya virus, or maybe we won't. Just stay away from mosquitoes, I guess. All right, stay safe out there. I hope everyone is doing well during the coronavirus, and see you later.